How to fix notification not working on Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how can you fix Facebook notification not working. So let's get started. First, as you have to check for the permission you have gave to Facebook or not. Simply for that, open up settings. From settings, you'll have to scroll down and tap on apps. From the app section, find out the application Facebook. After you find it, tap on that. From Facebook, tap on notification. From here, tap on allow notification. After you give the access for Facebook, simply from here, open Facebook app. After you open Facebook with your account, tap on menu at the bottom right. From here, tap on settings at the top right. And from the settings and privacy, you'll have to scroll down and tap on the option notification. From here, you'll have to scroll down and turn on the push email or SMS notification if needed. Make sure do not disturb or focus mode is off on your device. After that, you can just log out and log back to your Facebook. If still not working, update the Facebook app from the App Store or Google Play. After that, your problem should be fixed. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.